What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you how to make $10,000 per month on YouTube uploading simple videos. Now, what is a simple video? What goes into a simple video? Well, I'm going to explain that in just a second. The first thing I want you to do, hit that thumbs up button if and only if your goal is to make $10,000 or more. Hit that thumbs up button. But if you're ready, let's go. Let's be honest, all right? Not every single person that puts up a YouTube video is going to be a millionaire, is going to make $10,000 per month. But I want to give you a step-by-step guide. Yes, that's right, a step-by-step guide on how you can actually make $10,000 or more on YouTube by creating simple, very simple YouTube videos. So, let's talk about it. Let me show you some really quick, okay? Look at this. How to tie a tie, okay? This person is teaching people how to tie a tie, okay? And look at this. They have over 1 million views from a video they did over a year ago, and they only have 15,000 subscribers, okay? How cool is that? That's cool, but look at this, okay? Here is his actual stats, okay? These are his numbers from a website called Social Blade. If we go to Reef Knots, okay, that's the exact same channel, Reef Knots. Okay, and I looked it up over on Social Blade. You can go to Social Blade if you want to, socialblade.com. Okay, he has 44 uploads, 15,000 subscribers, almost 5 million video views. But look at this, okay? Right here, he's getting over 6,000. His daily average is 9,213 video views per day, which means he's making over $37, or it says $2 to $37 per day. From what I can tell, these numbers right here, usually it's the top or a little bit more. So he's probably making closer to $40 to $50 per day from his YouTube channel, which is pretty good. $40 to $50, that is what, almost $1,500 per month that he's making from his YouTube channel. And all he's doing is talking about tying ties. How simple is that, right? Let me show you another one. Fluffy keto almond flour pancakes. This channel is from Low Carb Yum, 44,000 subscribers, 149,000 views, done over a year ago. But look at this, okay? She is getting over 4,000 views per day, okay? Making I'd say she's probably making close to $20 to $25 per day. These numbers are usually fairly low. So I'd say she's making $20 to $25 per day. She's still making good money from one YouTube channel, right? She's just one YouTube channel. She's talking about making low carb, desserts, low carb food. It's called Low Carb Yum. Cool, right? It's another simple video idea. Let me show you another one, right? Look at this. Flies over 100 feet. Amazing dark paper airplane. This one, foldable flight. This is his channel. Has 85,000 subscribers. This video that he did over a year ago has 2.3 million views. Let's look at his Social Blade stats. Okay? We come right here. He has 74 uploads. Look at this. He's getting over 30,000 views per day. He's making anywhere from $8 to $120 per day. I'd say that's probably about right. $120, maybe to $130 per day is probably where he's at. So still very good money. $130 per day. $100 is $3,000 per month. $130, okay? That's pretty good. That's still good money. And how is he doing this? How are people doing this? By creating simple YouTube videos. The key to making these simple videos is not to do something completely different and to change the game. It's just to follow the simple process. That process is grab your phone, your smartphone, okay? Hit record and record. If you have an iPhone, then it comes with iMovie, which is absolutely free. You can create your whole YouTube video, your whole presentation, all the slides right there. And to help you out, let me show you something, right? There's a channel out there. It's called Think Media. Okay, Think Media right here. Now this is Sean Cannell. He's very good at what he does. But go and check out this video. I'll put a link to this video down in the description box below. No, it's not a sponsored video. It's generally, this is seriously what you need to do. this video, how to make YouTube videos on your phone, beginner's tutorial. Go and watch it, because I guarantee you, this right here is going to show you how to make these videos so that you can publish them. Publish these simple, easy to upload videos over on YouTube and start making some money. Now, one of the questions I got a lot from some of my students when I was showing them this exact method, probably over 6 months ago, was, okay, but I don't want to be on camera, and I don't have a very good voice. I'm not very clear. I have an accent. Nobody's going to understand me. That was their issue. Let me show you something, okay? Let's say I want to teach somebody how to make a paper airplane. How would I do that? And this is the exact example I showed them, okay? So I would pull out my phone, okay, and I, hold it up over my, piece of paper, so people only see the piece of paper, and I'd show them how to do it. So on my screen, and you can do this on your smartphone, you can do it on iMovie. There's other ones you can use as well, other apps you can use to create those movies. But what I would do is I'd say, and I'd have a screen that comes out, says, how to make a simple paper airplane. Okay? Step 1. Grab yourself an 8x10 piece of paper. There it is. Step 2. Fold that piece of paper in half on the long side. That's step number 2. Step number 3. Open that piece of paper. Step number 4. Fold one corner down to that middle line. Step 5. Fold the other corner, the opposite side, into the middle. Step 5. Step 6. Close the piece of paper. Step 7. Fold down one wing down to the bottom of the airplane. Okay? There it is. Flip that piece of paper over is step 8. Step 9, fold that other side down to match the opposite side. Okay? There's my airplane. You're done. Video's over. That's it. Okay? That's how you make a simple video. It doesn't have to be, the best lighting and the best audio and the best camera equipment. It doesn't. Okay? It has to be quality content. That's all it has to be. You've probably seen some of my videos here. Okay? Right now I'm using a webcam. I'm using a webcam to record this video. Why? Because I want to show you just what to do. Okay? I don't need, my $1,000 camera. I just don't need it. Yeah, it's great. It's good quality and that's awesome. But a lot of times that doesn't matter. Some of my best videos, the ones I spend the most time on, the ones that cost me the most money to make, those are my worst performing videos. Why? Because content is king. Everybody just wants quality content. So let me show you something else. Maybe you don't want to learn how to, create a paper airplane. That's fine. Maybe you're going to teach people how to tie a tie. Let me show you this. Windsor knot tie. There we go. Windsor knot tie. We're going to click on images. Okay? Now, here's something I want to explain to you guys. What most people will tell you is that you can go onto Google and you can find any image you want and you can record a video and use that image. That's not necessarily true, okay? And that's actually it. If it's copywritten, if there's copyright on the image, they can request that you pull your video down or that they get some of the proceeds from your video, okay? And so this is what I recommend you do. Because yes, you can go and use these images, and that's fine. But what's going to happen, and when I say fine, I mean YouTube's not going to shut your channel down just because you get a couple copyright strikes. That's not going to happen. What's going to happen is you will not be able to use any of YouTube ad revenue, or you won't be able to get it for that particular video. Which, if your goal is to make $10,000 and you're trying to hit these numbers, what's going to happen is every single one of your videos is going to have a copyright strike. You're not going to get any of the ad revenue, which means you're not going to make any money. You're just going to have videos and views. So what I recommend you do is come up here to images, you click on it, come over to tools, click on usage rights, and click on labeled for reuse. Now you could click on labeled for reuse with modification, but I don't think you're going to modify the image, just because if it's a simple video, you're going to take the image and you're just going to run with it. So you go right here. and I would add some of these images into your video. So you take it and you start uploading some of these images into iMovie, and you talk about how to tie maybe the half Windsor knot. Cool. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, and there you got your finished product. How simple is that? How cool is that? Okay, but most people overthink creating a video and putting it onto YouTube. Don't overthink it. It's actually very easy. But I know you're probably thinking, well, I don't know how to tie a tie. I don't want to get into creating low carb, videos. I'm not interested in that. What else could I do? Now, honestly, there's a lot of things you can do. Now, I always tell people when I was teaching people this, over 6 months ago, one of the things I told them is figure out what you are passionate about, what you like to do. Some people was how to use your pitching wedge in golf. Simple. And they teach them how to use it. The proper technique, the proper stance, with your footwork, the foot stance and where you place your feet in, position to the ball. Things like that, how to fly a kite, okay? But let me show you. If you love to do something, all you got to do is go how to, hit space, and then stop here. And then just use, it's called the alphabet technique. You start with A, type in A. How to apply false eyelashes. If you're into that, try it out. Okay, and these are in order as to, if someone types in how to A, YouTube says this is the most searched and this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. Okay, so this is A. How to B. How to build a house in Minecraft. How to C. How to connect PS4 controller to iPhone. Pretty cool. How to D. How to delete Instagram account. How to draw rows. How to do a backflip. All these things. Now, if you have any interest in creating any of these videos, do it. Let me show you something really quick. How to draw a unicorn. Let me just click on that one. Never clicked on it. Don't know what's going to happen. Okay. But look at this. Okay. What I want to show you is I want to try to find, let's see. This looks like the same person's drawing the unicorn. Okay. Let's see. Let's try to find a different one. That's a bad example. How to draw a dragon. Let's click on that one. Hopefully somebody different. All right, cool. Got some different ones here. Okay, how to draw a dragon. Look at this one. Impractical Artist has 7,000 subscribers. Okay, 7 months ago he made this video, 178,000 views. Okay, that's Impractical Artist. Let's click on that. Okay, it's gonna pop up. We're gonna go to their channel, and we're actually not gonna watch the video, but click on all the videos right there. Okay, so he's talking about how to draw these different things. All right, cool. It's called Impractical Artist. Let's come over here and let's type that in. Impractical Artist. Okay, I'm gonna hit search. I want to see how many views he's getting. I want to see how much money he's making. Now he has a video there, but obviously that's a little different. There it is. 108 uploads, 7,000 subscribers, 1.5 million views. I'm gonna click on select channel. Here it is. Let's see what he's making. Okay, he's averaging, under $1 to over, $6 per day. Not bad. Okay, so it's something. He's doing something. He's making some money, and all he's doing is talking about art. Okay, talking about art. How cool is that? Because is that something you think you can do? So just to recap, if you want to make $10,000 per month, okay, on YouTube uploading simple videos, you can. But try not to overthink it. This is the problem so many people have, and this is the problem that I had when I first started on YouTube, is I had one channel, and I was trying to push all my content over to that channel. But I realized there's other ways you can do it. I created many different channels. Right now I have, I think, about 37 channels. I sell some every once in a while. I buy some, and I just keep it going. I think I have over 30 channels right now. I know that exactly, okay? Don't know exactly how many, but I know I have over 30. Out of those 30 channels, a bunch of these channels that I've created are simple videos on how to do this, okay? Or are on just cooking, or on sports, or on fitness. And it's a specific, very specific type of video. And most of them, they never show my face. A lot of them, they show my hands. I'm doing something. I'm reviewing a product, but that's it, all right? So if you guys have any questions on how you can make over $10,000 per month on YouTube uploading simple videos, Let me know. I'm here to help any way that I can. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and your goal is to make over $10,000 per month, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.